In this video, I'll show you how to upload your own audio to Suno AI. First, open your web browser, go to the Suno AI website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Create to open the music creation page. Next, click the Upload Audio button near the Create button. You can either upload an existing audio file from your device or record a new audio clip directly in Suno. Now, select the audio file you want to use and wait for it to upload. After the upload is complete, give your project a title if you'd like, then confirm that you own the rights to the audio before continuing. After that, your uploaded audio will appear in your library. Open it and choose Extend to continue building the song. You can select where the extension should begin, enter a prompt describing the style you want, and add lyrics if you'd like vocals in the final track. Suno Help 1. Finally, click Create and wait while Suno generates your new song based on the uploaded audio. You can listen to the results, make additional changes, or download the finished track when you're satisfied. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload your own audio to Suno AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.